alright guys, panibagong video, panibagong araw na naman. Ngayong araw ay pauwi na tayo ng Douglas, Isle of Man. Pero bad news, may delayed ang aming boat. Kaya nakita-kita tayo. Samahan niyo ako, let's go! Dito na tayo guys, palis na tayo dito sa may Cusco parking.
Turn right towards Waterloo Road, then turn right. Turn right towards Waterloo Road, then turn right onto Waterloo Road. Right. Then turn right.
Nasirado na lagi.
Turn right. Then turn right on A5036. Take the next right onto Waterloo Road, then turn left onto Jesse Harvey Way. Turn left on Jesse Harvey Way. Head east, then turn right.
Doon. Sundan
Turn
mo na
right,
lang.
then turn right. In 50 yards, turn right.
Half past 8.
Turn left. Oh, it's past 8. I thought it was 5.
It was delayed.
Oh, I thought that
We have to
the
go
boat
there anyway.
departs at 9.
Yeah.
The boat departs at 9 while we're going at 8:30.
I thought we should already be there by 8:30.
I'm not sure, but I'll double check.
Turn left onto Great Howard Street, A565. Use the left 2 lanes to turn left on A565 north of Great Howard Street. In a quarter of a mile, turn right.
Oops.
Head south on King Edward Street, A5036 towards Brook Street. 1,000 feet. In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto St. Nicholas Place. Turn right onto St. Nicholas Place.
Ito ba yung dating terminal?
Turn left on William Jessup Way.
Alright guys, so nandito na tayo sa may Isle of Man Ferry Terminal. Isle of Man Ferry Terminal guys. Pero delayed ang aming boat ngayon. Delayed. Instead na 7:15 ang alis ng Liverpool, mag-alis kami na 9:15. So, wala pa, dito muna kami. Tambay. Tambay muna kami dito guys. Yan. Delayed. Tambay muna, tambay. Oh, alright guys, so dito tayo ngayon. Ito na. Sabi ay 8:15. Okay. Ito muna. Boy muna. Boy mo na. Siyempre. Boy. Kailangan. Meeting muna guys. Oh, Minghoy. Delay pa. Oh. Kanina. Alright guys, so dito na, Isle of Man. Welcome to Isle of Man Ferry Terminal. Yan. Welcome Isle of Man Ferry Terminal. Yeah. Yan o. Okay. Tuyok guys. Diba? Ito si paring Carlito guys. Oh. Alright guys, so tignan niyo mga building dito sa Liverpool. Yan, matataas. Mataas ang mga building dito. Oh, yan, Liverpool. Yan. Oh, nasunog na. Lakad-lakad muna guys. Kasi alas 8 pa, bantakin mo naman guys. Yan o. Lakad-lakad lang. Lakad-lakad. Yan. Lakad-lakad. Yan. Diba? Ano to? Ano to? Panghuli ng crabs? Anong mahuli nito? May ahas taas. Ay, ito na bridge. Wow. Tignan niya. Tignan naman niya yung cute na bridge guys. Oh. Yan o. Diba? Yan o. Liverpool Waters. Wild. Yan o. Alright. Ito yung bridge guys o. Oh, di ba? Anong nakalagay? Sainsbury, nandiyan pala oh. Magbili tayo ng ice cube. Aw. Yan o. Tignan nyo guys oh. Ito ang bridge. Oh, di ba? Pagka-cute sa bridge. Yan. Oh. Di ba ang ganda? Yan ang Ganda guys. Ayan. Diba, ang ganda guys. Ayan o. Open pa. Oo. Alright guys. Yan o. Diba? Yung mga building dito guys. Oh. Ang laki. Taas ng mga building dito. Grabe yung mga building dito guys.
Love is all you need. Much chill. Kaya mo dalawa ni paring Apoy din. Ito mo, okay, sa mangka mo. Inside the heart.
Love is all you need. Yan. Yan siya oh. Oh, dito na ako. Love is all you need. Ah. Tingin ka naman dito, pre. Yan, si paring Gilbert. Alright. So, dito tayo. Ikot-ikot. Tubig. Ito mga cereal. Coffee. Ayan. Ito mga cup. Ito drinks. Ayan, drinks yan. Meron din dito Heineken's. Ayan, beer. Ayan, marami dyan guys. Sainsbury local. Ayan. Nice. All right. Ganda guys. Alright guys, so ngayon lakad na, pauwi na guys ito. Lakad na, 'di ba? Yan oh, ganyan lang. Buhay-buhay. Uwi na guys. Lakad uwi na. Punta na kami doon sa may boat. Ito. Lexington. Ano, Lexington. Ano to? Hotel ito, pre? Oh. Is that hotel or apartment? Ay, poste na pala. Wow. Ganda oh.